Hi everyone. Okay, it's time for our third Morsel Mashups challenge. Excuse me. And if you're not clear on what I'm talking about, if you've not watched one of these particular challenges, I listed all of the challenges from my original Mixed Media Morsels videos from 2016. And we're taking, once a month, we're taking 3 cards out of this deck and choosing to mash those together to make one project using the 3 techniques. So I will link videos, whichever techniques that I draw. This time I will link the videos for those techniques in the video's description so that you will be able to check them out. If you're not sure what I mean, you'll be able to check them out. If you've just forgotten and you saw it previously but you've forgotten what we did, you can just refresh your memory and you'll know what we'll be doing with those 3 techniques, okay? I know I've been having a lot of fun with these little challenges, and I hope you guys are too. And I'm looking forward to this one, so let's see what we're going to get. All right, so I'm not looking. They're all mixed up. I'm not looking. And I'm just going to draw a card, hopefully a single card first. Okay, that's one. Here we go. Let's see. This one is handmade painted tape. Okay, so that's going to be the first technique. The next one will be, trying to pick it up. It's kind of hard to pick these up one at a time. I feel like they're stuck together. There we go. They're not, but it feels like they are. Okay, here's the next card, and it is Pretty Posies. Okay. Oh, looks like we're going in order. Not intentionally, of course. Okay, mixing up, trying to pick, and we're going to go with this one, front one. There we go. All right, and it is, oh my gosh, they did go in order. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. 23, 24, and 25. That, I don't know, I mean, you couldn't do that if you tried. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Okay, so there they are. Ransom Note Lettering is the last one I chose. Sorry, I got distracted with how cool that was, that they're sequential. Okay, guys, I hope you have fun with these little techniques. And I think it's going to be fun just looking at what they are. It's going to be cool, so I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. So I look forward to seeing what you create in the Mixed Media Morsels Facebook group. And come on over and join us there if you're not already a member. And if you are a member, come on and join in with these challenges. They're really fun. And we have the sweetest group of kind people, and everyone is very supportive. So you don't have to have any kind of apprehension about sharing your work, because it's just a fun place with nobody being critical. So just come over and share what you're doing, and I look forward to seeing what you create with this challenge. Take care, everybody. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.